I'm in California today. I was thinking about going to Disneyland, but if I'm completely honest, I could go to any other Disney park around the world and it will be cheaper. Usually the ride is like $100 there. So I haven't been to the Funko store in a very, very long time. Thought it would be a great idea to see what's new and popping on the Funko stores. I'm gonna take public transportation for the first time ever around here. I'll let you know how good it is. Let's go. I made it to Hollywood. I decided to get off on the earlier stuff. That way I could walk all the way over there. And the store doesn't open until 30 minutes from now. So I think it's enough time for me to walk over there. You can't really see it, but the Hollywood sign is over here. There's so many Funkos in here that I would like. The alien, so cute. I need this. Qué lindo. I couldn't go to the theater because it was closed. I think there was a premiere or something like that, so. What I'm just going to do is go to the El Capitan. This is what I'm here for. King Candy looks cute. Oh, Anxiety looks adorable. Oh, I think these are considered like open editions. I just realized this is in Disney California Adventure. The inspiration. That's so cute. I'm going back to the hotel. Honestly did everything that I wanted to do. I just wanted to see the Hollywood sign, Chinese theater, and go to the Funko store. So now I'm just gonna take 3 trains to go back. It takes me 1 hour and 22 minutes. Honestly, no complaints, because it was $1.75 to come all the way down here. I'll see you guys when I get to the hotel. I think the crew's gonna meet up to go to In-N-Out. If you like this video, make sure that you guys like, subscribe, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Peace!